Hello guys, welcome to Binjan Vlogs.
Today we have a very special video planned for you guys. We're visiting two of the most important tourist spots in Nelson. Here's a quick info about it.
First, we are going to a place called Havelock. In Havelock, we are going to a place called Marlborough Sounds. One of our friends is taking us on a boat. It's like 35 feet long boat. It's called it's a super boat. And he also said we'll be doing a little bit of fishing over there, which is like first for us. We've never done fishing and we are really excited for that. Telling a little more about Marlborough Sounds. Sounds are naturally occurring phenomena. So there are like 3 to 4 rivers that are converging into the sea. And when that happens, it's really a beautiful place to be seen. That's what we have been learning from checking online. And also through these rivers there are like a lot of hills around which obstructs the wind, which in turn helps the river to be more calm and not much choppy. And because of that, there'll be a lot more fishes to be fished, and that's what excites us more. Then we are going to another car show that's in Mapua Wharf with another friend of ours. And one thing more special about the wharf is it's a natural occurring sandbar around that wharf, which again obstructs the waves to come in towards the sea banks. And it's just a beautiful calm wharf for a beach front, and they do a lot of swimming and all sorts of beach activities over there. So by that we have a classic American car show going on, which we are really excited to be in, because our friend said that there'll be a lot of locals that'll be bringing their most prized procession cars, which are like more than $1 million cars over there. So what we'll do is we'll be showing bits and pieces of all these things together. So hope you guys enjoy this small montage of all these things, and stay tuned.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Hope you all enjoy this montage.
But with a twist, while we are going for the car show, we also stop by a stunning beach called Kaiteriteri.
It's also called as the Golden Sand Beach.
And it's called Golden Sand Beach for a reason, because the sand over there, the sea sand, is sparkling because it has some marble mixed with it, and it's because of the marble hills that's around the beach, and it's really stunning.
There's also a special feature to add on to the beach.
Yeah.
The color of the water is turquoise in color, and it looks beautiful with all the kayaks and the sailboats docked around.
Yeah.
And it is a heaven for camping.
Yep, and there were a lot of campers.
It was
while
absolutely
yeah.
beautiful, and also we had an amazing, thrilling, whole new experience today on the boat. We also tried to do a little bit of fishing.
But unfortunately, we couldn't catch any fish because due to some unexpected weather conditions. But we have planned another day for fishing, and we'll make sure we'll catch some good snappers or some good fishes for eating.
And also mentioning about the car show, I hope all of you enjoyed it. Our favorite was Viper among all.
The Dodge Viper.
Okay, the
Yeah.
Dodge Viper. We loved it.
Yeah. And you guys let us know which one was your favorite car out of all that we showed.
Comment down.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure different people have different likes.
Yeah.
So let us know too.
Guys, you also let us know, out of all the places that we visited today, which one was your favorite? Which one did you guys enjoy the most?
So we'll be waiting to read your comments.
So we hope that you guys have enjoyed this video as much as we did, and we'll be back with another vlog very, very soon. Please keep supporting us, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
And hit the bell icon. So
Till
till
then,
then